Yamaha YZF R15 is exactly a single-cylinder sport bike made by Yamaha Motor Company in 2008. It shows a small resemblance ditto form of the original R1. Its engine displacement comes around 149.8 cc, that is 150 cc. It has got a liquid-cooled engine, 4-stroke 4-valve inline. So it's the engine. Its bhp comes around 18.6. It has got a sturdy and robust delta frame design. I told it has got 19 PS power, 15 Nm torque. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The V3 version is with ABS, that is dual channel ABS. This makes the R15 the only bike with this feature in its segment. The R15 is so much powerful because of its advanced engine technology, that is VVA technology. VVA means variable valve actuation, its technical name. Also the slipper clutch assist. In 150cc dimension, the bike's overall performance is superb. It gives you a feeling of riding a super bike. It has all the features and performance as well.